Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
14th week of pregnancy. Now baby is about the size of a lemon. At 14 weeks, you enter the second trimester and are 3 months and 1 week pregnant. During this week, your baby starts moving a little and you will start getting over morning sickness. Changes in the body during 14 weeks of pregnancy. Physical changes. Firstly, second time moms may notice a visible baby bump in this week. The hormonal changes make your hair look thicker, lustrous, and looks shinier than ever. Emotional changes like strange dreams, mood swings, and anxiety. Now the symptoms during 14th week of pregnancy. Following are some of the symptoms you might observe during 14 weeks of pregnancy. Weight gain should be around 2 to 7 pounds during this week. Increased energy, morning sickness, increased appetite. As the pelvic muscles and ligaments are stretching, it causes round ligament pain on one or both sides of the abdomen. Varicose vein appear as the extra blood volume puts pressure on the blood vessels, causing the veins and legs to swell. The increased level of blood flow to the mucous membranes causes them to swell, making breathing difficult and resulting in a stuffy nose. The extra weight of the uterus starts straining the muscles of the lower back. Digestion slows down due to the hormonal fluctuations, causing indigestion and formation of gas. Edema or water retention in the body results in the swelling of hands and feet. Baby and its development during 14th week of pregnancy. Your baby is about the size of a lemon or a peach. The baby measures 8.7 cm and weighs about 43 grams. Refer the following mentioned points for the baby's development during 14th weeks of pregnancy. Talking about face, facial features are still developing. Kidney starts making urine. Blood begins to form in the bone marrow. Arms are in the proportion to the body. Bones are hardened to form the skeleton. Nerve cells develop at a faster pace. Talking about fingers and toes, unique fingerprints are developed. Thyroid gland matured and starts producing thyroid hormone. Limb starts moving and mouth starts swallowing amniotic fluid and baby starts sucking fingers. Now call the doctor if you observe any of the following symptoms: fever, pelvic pain, less urination, severe vomiting, and loss of consciousness. What to eat during your second trimester? A healthy diet consists of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, plenty of water, vegetables, fruits, dairy, grains, proteins. During your second trimester, especially important to eat foods which are rich in calcium, magnesium and vitamin D. These nutrients will help your baby grow strong bones and teeth. It is also beneficial to eat foods containing omega-3 oils, which are vital for your baby's brain development. Foods which contains one or more of these nutrients include avocado, broccoli, green beans, cabbage, carrots, dried fruits, peanut butter, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. What not to eat during the second trimester? There are few foods that you should limit and avoid eating while you are pregnant, including raw meat, eggs, and certain types of fish, caffeine, artificial sweeteners, unpasteurized products, and alcohol. Daily requirements during 14th week of pregnancy. Now that you are more than halfway through your pregnancy, it's particularly important to follow your diet properly. Following is the plan as per the daily requirements. 2 or 3 servings of lean protein per day or at least 75 grams per day. 2 or more servings of whole grains per day. 4 or 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. 4 servings of dairy products or foods which are rich in calcium. Eating foods with essential fats. limiting your intake of high fat, high sugar, and high sodium foods, taking your prenatal vitamins every day. Healthy pregnancy diet plan. It is a time for the mother to be focused on being as healthy as she can because that care will translate to her baby in utero. Establishing healthy habits will now set a positive example that will benefit the child over his or her lifetime. A well balanced micronutrient diet is a key to a healthy pregnancy. A well balanced diet should contain the followings: carbohydrates from whole grain sources and fruits and vegetables, protein from beans, nuts, seeds, and hormone free animal products like meat and dairy, healthy fats such as olive oil, avocados, and the fats that occur in nuts, seeds, and fish. Pregnant women need more iron, folic acid, calcium, zinc, iodine, and vitamin D. Malnutrition increases the risk of having a low birth weight baby or going into preterm labor. Pregnant women need the followings daily: folic acid. Folic acid is also known as folate. It is a B vitamin that is crucial in helping to prevent birth defects in the baby's brain and spinal cord, known as neural tube defects. Doctors recommend that women who are trying to have a baby should take a daily vitamin supplement containing 400 micrograms of folic acid per day for at least 1 month before becoming pregnant. During pregnancy, they advise women to increase the amount of folic acid to 600 micrograms a day. So, the food sources of folic acid are green leafy vegetables, cereals, breads, pastas, beans, and citrus fruits. Calcium. This mineral is used to build a baby's bones and teeth. Food sources like milk, yogurt, cheese, calcium fortified juices are the rich sources of calcium. Iron. Pregnant women need 27 milligrams of iron a day, which is double the amount needed by the women who are not expecting. Consuming too little iron during pregnancy can lead to anemia, a condition resulting of fatigue and increased risk of infections. Food sources like poultry, fish, dried beans, and peas, iron fortified cereals are the rich sources of iron. Protein. More protein is needed during pregnancy, and it is described as a builder nutrient because it helps to build important organs for the baby, such as a brain and heart. Food sources are meat, fish, dried beans and peas, eggs, nuts, etc. Below mentioned food products need to be consumed for healthy pregnancy. Milk and other milk products include foods such as whole milk or skim milk, yogurt, buttermilk, cheese, paneer. All these food items are rich sources of protein, calcium, and vitamin B12. Pulses, dals, cereals, nuts, and whole grains. If you are a vegetarian, include pulses, dals, cereals, nuts, and whole grains in your everyday diet as your body requires a good amount of protein. Fruits and vegetables. Include lots of fresh fruits and vegetables as your body requires good amount of fiber. Liquids. Drink as much as water and liquids throughout the day as your body needs to be hydrated all the time. Foods that should be avoided during pregnancy. Avoiding the following mentioned foods will keep you and your baby healthy. Fish containing mercury. Fish such as shark, tilefish contain high levels of mercury. Mercury is an element which is found in oceans, lakes, etc., which converts into methyl mercury in the human body. It is a neurotoxin which leads to brain damage and development delays in baby. Raw or undercooked eggs. Raw or undercooked eggs should not be consumed as they contain harmful salmonella bacteria, which causes food poisoning. You may also suffer from diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, etc. Unpasteurized milk. It is not safe to drink unpasteurized milk or raw milk as it contains harmful bacteria called salmonella, which can be dangerous to you and your baby too. Unwashed fruits and vegetables. Unwashed fruits and vegetables contain Toxoplasma parasite, which harms the developing baby. Excess caffeine. Higher amount of caffeine could increase the chances of miscarriage and low birth weight babies. Other drinks which can be avoided are soft drinks, diet soda, alcohol, iced tea. Sugar-rich foods. Cut down on sugar-rich foods such as desserts, candies, cakes, ice cream, sweetened beverages. They worsen the pregnancy discomforts, increase weight, increase gestational diabetes, etc. Benefits of playing music during pregnancy. The fetus develops the ears in the third week of gestation, but they don't become functional until the week 16. Fetus can actively listen by week 24. High stress levels in expectant mothers can cause negative effect on both the mother and baby too. Music and singing can cause soothing effect on both the mother and the baby and can lead healthy and happy baby later in life. Singing along with the music helps to develop better bonding between the mother and the baby. Listening to all kinds of music encourages early brain development in the baby. But the important note, don't play music continuously and too loud, as it might disturb the baby. Drugs that should be avoided during pregnancy. Chloramphenicol. This is an antibiotic that's usually given in the form of injection. This drug can cause serious blood disorders and gravy baby syndrome. Ciprofloxacin and levofloxacin. These are the two types of fluoroquinolone antibiotics. These drugs can cause problems with baby's muscles and skeletal growth as well as joint pain and potential nerve damage in the mother. Fluoroquinolone antibiotics also increase the chances of having a miscarriage. Sulfonamides. These are a group of antibiotic medications. They are also known as sulfa drugs. They are used to kill germs and treat bacterial infections. They can cause jaundice in newborns. They can also increase the chances of having a miscarriage. Primesol. This is also a type of antibiotic. This can cause neural tube defects if consumed during pregnancy. These defects affect brain development in a developing baby. Codeine. This is a prescription drug which is used to relieve pain. It can lead to withdrawal symptoms in newborns. And the last one is ibuprofen. This can cause serious problems such as miscarriage, delayed onset of labor, jaundice, and fetal kernicterus. It is a type of brain damage.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.